Okay, I'm gonna do a bike check today. Well, my frame, Miraco 5-star in red. Got forks, Miraco came on the bike. I'm getting new ones that are gonna come in the post next week somewhere. Front wheel is something from Halfords. Peg, Animal MK3. Front tyre, Odyssey 8-kin B-Light. Red Bull. Bars, Miraco ones, which I bent back. It's the right shape. Miraco stem with a sort of top cap that I had to make. Headset, Miraco sort of one. Pedals, metal Elgos. Cranks, Miracos. Seat, something I got off an old bike. Seat clamp, GT one I got from Halfords. Seat post, stock Miraco. Back peg, Animal MK3. KHE back wheel. Primo Pro tyre on the back. Tennis balls on my back wheel. A chain I got a while ago. Sprocket came with the back wheel, don't know what it is. I've got bullet dust caps. Aranos grips in white. Odyssey bar in there. And a purple, not purple anymore, proper bar in there. Because I lost my other Odyssey bar end. Because I had different bars on. Band sticker. Relentless sticker. I took the odds racing off because that was gay. That's my bike check for today. It's all wet, so I can't ride. So goodbye. This will be on YouTube. Bye.